Blueface comes home to an empty fridge after a long day of boxing.
Did you start? Yeah, alright, man. Go for certified bulldog lovers. My man's got the English, the Frenchies, you feel me? Spanish, whatever type of bulldog you need, girl. You got the Colombian, you feel me? Speak a little Espanol, maybe? Poquito? Feel me? Go shop with man. I just cop one, feel me? Throw the mini on cut here like that. Yeah. The dog whisperer. So I got my nails done for the first time ever, and I cannot. It feels like I feel like I got chicken grease on my fingers. Like, can't get over this. Like, yeah. God.
That's your distance. Stay right there. Good. Good. Good feet. Beautiful. Good. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Don't fall. Get this up. That's it. Yeah. Good.
I like that one.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was nice.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Feet on that. Before you pick it up. Now, I know you're tired.
Yo.
The next day.
I don't know what you got these wild people that pick up dollars off the ground talking to me for. Ain't no hope for them. They pick up dollars off the ground. You know what that take? You know I taught you better than that. Don't be running around here moving fast and you ain't even seen the board yet. Come on now, we don't move like that. We know better than that. So stop moving like you from the trailer park. I brought you up out of that trailer park. You no longer live there anymore. So get them back in their places, please, today. And just wait till you watch the show and then you'll be like, oh, just because we have our differences don't mean that I'm going to change my stance on women, on what people's where they supposed to be. Okay? I gave y'all both fair interviews and I gave y'all the same information that I would give my daughter. You don't take nothing that don't belong to you. You don't take nothing that don't belong to you. It'll never belong to you. Okay? I told that baby, I said, focus on your bag. Get to where you going. Do what you got to do. I ain't never going to tell y'all wrong as no woman. Now, what your mama tell you and what them other folks tell you, that's pumping you up on the internet, that pick up dollars off the ground and find it funny to sleep with people's husbands and hurt their feelings on the internet. All you doing is getting your mama's karma. Like, I'm trying to tell you why people move certain ways. I don't want Callie out here crying about some man. I'm not about to be sleeping with people's mans. You got to, what belongs to you is yours. What don't belong to you ain't yours. Don't touch what don't belong to you. It's politics out here. Y'all not following them as young ladies, and that's what the whole problem is. It's cute to be messing with somebody, man. That ain't cute. That's temporary. I'm not gonna never tell y'all no wrong. I'm gonna tell you, you moved weird just now having strippers come for me. Having your little sister come for me when we didn't already had that talk about her and your man. Like, you already know you come from the trailer park. That right there, them issues right there, I got 4, 5 sisters. I ain't never had that talk. My mama ain't never had to have that talk with us. We ain't never, ever gonna cross them boundaries. That's street, that's trailer park stuff. So you don't belong over there anymore. Stay in your place and leave them over there. And leave and make sure you also leave them shippers over there where they at too. Don't send them over here. We don't need none of that over here. Okay? I don't care if I'm hungry and dry in the desert. I ain't picking up no dollar from no John on no ground. And don't try to use no bottle service as no excuse. If you in there with a thong on and you're bending over and you're picking up the tips, you a shipper too. Now, I don't know what y'all mamas out here telling y'all, sugarcoating stuff. And no, I ain't never did no mess like that. Would never do no mess like that. I got too much pride and integrity to pick a dollar up off the ground. I don't care who put it down there. Now, y'all mamas better start telling the truth and shaming this devil.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.